Funnels, funnels, funnels. What would we do without funnels? Literally, what would we do without funnels?
Hey, my name is Mario, and I'd like to give you a free access to my course called Funnels on Fire that may change your life if you take consistent action on things that you are going to learn. It will help you succeed with Clickfunnels. And guys, it's not going to be easy, but it's going to be worth it. And anyone who tells you that building a real business is easy, run away, right? So let me share with you quickly my story. When I was starting out in business, I was jumping from one thing to another without having any results from anything, right? But it was really frustrating, and because I wanted to make it work badly, because I didn't want to be stuck at 9 to 5 job. I wanted to have freedom to travel and to do things that I want to on my own terms, right? And so but I was lacking a couple of things, right? But then when I discovered ClickFunnels, it allowed me to sell high ticket services, right? It allowed me to make money with its affiliate program. I literally found things that transformed for me everything because of the value it delivers to the marketplace. So ClickFunnels is powerful, and this course will help you step by step to replicate my success with it. So let me quickly show you here. The affiliate program has changed a bit, right? By the way, when you get access to this course, you should start watching with this video, Welcome to the Training, where I also share my story and how you should go about the program, right? And if you want access to this course, just click the link above or below or somewhere around this video, and you will be able to grab free access. So, and here is, so they have like one of the best affiliate programs I've come across, and they've changed the rules a little bit. You now, to become an approved affiliate, you now need to make $1,000 in calendar month, right? So this program is updated and works right now because out there are programs that are outdated, right, and do not work anymore. So I was able to make $2,000 in my first month as a ClickFunnels affiliate and become an approved affiliate and get all my links back, right? Because now if you're just starting out, you will not get link to promote ClickFunnels software, right? Which is what most people want to promote, right? Which is what I wanted to promote because you will get recurring commissions and create passive income, right? So these are some of my results that you can check out when you will enroll to the program, right? So I'm actually doing the stuff that I teach, and so this is after you watch the first video, then you can watch the ClickFunnels affiliate module, right? Because guys, if you have never built a business before, then I would suggest that you start as a ClickFunnels affiliate. And this is what Russell Brunson suggests as well. It's because selling someone else's product that already has an authority is much easier than selling your own, right? And when so you can go through these videos to help you step by step how you should start your journey and become a highly successful affiliate marketer, right? And so this is the affiliate marketing, but maybe you already have a business and you would like to learn only about ClickFunnels and how it can help your business. So this is the second module that you can learn about. And this is where I explain everything like what is ClickFunnels and why you need it, ClickFunnels registration and setting up your own domain, how to integrate autoresponder, how to send immediately emails, right? How to start accepting credit cards and how to create custom URLs, how to create beautiful graphic design. Guys, and here are different sales like funnels that I will share with you as well, and how you can build them and make them your own, right? Membership funnel, sales funnel, automated evergreen webinar funnel, how to create any type of funnel, how to install Facebook Pixel. And Guys, also here are the templates, right, in these modules. So you have like online course templates, bridge pages. These are perfect for affiliate marketing, right? And like traffic, you can promote one funnel away challenge, traffic secrets, webinar, evergreen web page, sales funnel, and many more. Guys, so if you, and there are people who, who try to jump from one software to another, like Clickfunnels, but you need to be smart. You need to realize that everything, there's something that the software that delivers the most value to the marketplace will win over the long period of time, and all the competition will just suffer because ClickFunnels and Russell Brunson created a community and trainings that created more success stories and millionaires than any other software and company that I know of in this industry. That's why they are, you know, that's why they are growing so rapidly as a company. And so don't do the mistake like you decide to jump on ClickFunnels and then you see some shiny object, you get the opportunity to get the software like for cheap cost, like buy like $50 for a lifetime deal. It's never going to work because you need a customer support. And you cannot, as a company, you cannot afford customer support if you don't have a recurring payment from members, right? So just trust me on this. If you want to build a successful online business, you need ClickFunnels. And guys, so this is, you can also check traffic secrets. You can unlock it right here. And you can, if you just want to have a one-on-one mentorship, if that's what you need, because I know maybe you've taken already a bunch of courses and you still are not having results. Maybe you need that little push and you need that one-on-one mentorship. So here you will learn how you can how you can become my clients and be coached one-on-one, right? So this is like, because maybe you already have ClickFunnels but still need one-on-one. So this is like, here you can get the best deal along with the best deal from ClickFunnels plus with one-on-one help from me. All right. So guys, so if you want access to this course, then just click the link above or below the video or somewhere around the video, and that will take you to this page, this opt-in page, and then you just put your email, right? Then you just click get access to the course. And then if also you guys, if you have any questions, just you can ask me on my messenger here. So you literally also inside the program, if something is unclear, you need to ask something, then just click on this messenger and ask me anything, guys. I'm happy to help you out so you can become successful. So let me just refresh this because it doesn't seem to. Okay, let me try again. So, okay. So it doesn't work for some reason, just refresh the page, right? And then you will be able to get access to thank you page. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's the first step, where I share awesome, valuable tutorials on funnels and entrepreneurship and how you can succeed in business, in online business, right? And join our family group. Like, we have a Facebook community where we help people, right? So if you want to succeed, you need to be part of the community on the same journey. That's the second step. And the third step, after you do these 2 steps, then you can claim your free course. And you click that, and then you will just create your account. And I cannot see your password, right? So just put your password and create your account. And after you do that, you will get access to the course. So, guys, click that link and join the course while you still can. I will not keep this up longer than in 24 hours. It's going to be gone because I have only so much time that I can dedicate to coaching people one-on-one, right? And so click the link and you have 24 hours left, then we will shut it down. So click it, and let's do this, guys, together, you and me. Let's go.